fishing. Good job, good job. Stay there, stay there. Stay there. It's a fish, it's a fish. Good job, man. Good job, good job. Good job, good job. Good job. Number one. Yeah, here we go. Go. Net. Here we go. Oh, here we go. It's a flying fish. It's a fly fish. There we go. Good job, man. Good job. Woo! Yeah. There we go. Okay, there we go, another flying fish. Yes. No go, hey, Brian, turn the boat down. Bring it here, don't get too close to it. There we go, number one. Right here, Brian. It's a good fish. In the rock, huh? Yeah. No, no. There we go. Woohoo! Thank you, God. Yes, sir. Fish on. Fish on. It looks like it's good fish. Let's see. Here we go. Yes, sir. Woohoo! Thank you, man. Yeah. It's fat. Net. Net. Yeah. Good. Oh, that's a good fish, man. Wow. That's fat. This is a, yeah, that's a good fish. There you go. Cigar. Oh, nice. Okay, yeah, good. There we go. Swimming. There we go. Deeper. Oh, nice fish, man. Nice fish. Woo. You know. Good job. Good job. Good fish. Good fish. You got to be a fish somewhere around here. You got to fish. I see the rock. Here we go. What we got here? There we go. Brian, right there in the middle. It's a good fish, Brian. It's a good fish. That's what we're looking for, Brian. Wow. This is a nice bite bass. Thank you, God. Let's see if we can bring it in the bowl. Oh yeah! Woo! That's a nice. Thank you, God. So we just see one fish. Yeah? We got 2 fishes in the bottom. What happened? What are you missing? It's not there. Maybe you put it back there. There we go. I got it. I see the fish in the bottom. I got it. Unbelievable. small fish. It's a good fish. The same thing. The only thing, just throw on the top of the thing. There we go. Go. Take your time. Here we go. He wanna go. Good job. Oh, I got it back. I got it back. I got it back. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Where is he going? He's gone. No, I don't know if it's a big fish. He's coming. Woo. Whoa! That's a nice fish. Yeah, that's a fish in the bottom right now. There's a fish in the bottom right now. Yeah, baby! Oh, yeah, yeah! Woo! Right there! That's a nice fish. Woo! Woo-hoo! Crossbar. Oh, I got it by. Can you believe it? No, I got it by and I have it, I don't have it. Let me see. Oh, yeah. Oh, what's going on? I cut the line right here. Oh, I don't know. Oh my God. Oh, look what happened. He go in the bottom. This happened to me with this reel a couple times. Look, he go in the bottom of the thing. Ah. I got this problem several times. I don't know why. Let's the only one they got this one. Thank you, God. What a day.